Hi guys, it's Alla here. I have huge news. I've been featured on USA TV in a very popular show called HouseHunters, which has been an incredible experience, and I'm just like so proud of myself. And I got to film this amazing episode with my sister. If you haven't seen the episode yet, you should definitely watch it. You will be able to watch it on HGTV in America everywhere. If you're not in America, I don't think you can watch it. And I'm gonna show you some of the behind the scenes of filming of this episode, because we did film some behind the scenes and a lot of you requested it, so I thought I'll combine it all in one video. Anyway, enjoy the backstage behind the scenes. Good morning, guys. First day of filming, shooting today. I thought I will keep a vlog about behind the scenes of me getting ready. I just showered, washed my hair. The first location is in a beautiful hotel, so I have no idea what to expect yet, because I haven't met the whole production team. I haven't met anybody yet, and Inga's with me. I'm just gonna put some makeup on. Obviously it's really hot in Mexico, so it's really hard to have makeup on. Like usually, like when I did filming before, you would have a lot of makeup on, because on TV it just never looks as good. It looks like you have literally no makeup on. I don't usually wear a lot of makeup anyway, but for TV, when they have like these insane cameras, you kind of need to put a bit of makeup on. So I'm just gonna go do that, dry my hair, and I'll see you in a bit. We just arrived in our first shooting location. It's super bright here. Too sunny, but I'm just gonna show you. It's my favorite view of Playa. Such a cool beach club here. Reef. So green. Getting ready for the first scene. I have some food. So exciting.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. But right now it's like, think about like when you.
I know, also. I can't literally apologize, right? I know, cheers. Cheers, yeah. Eggs. How was your first scene?
Well, it was very long. It felt like we were speaking for like an hour.
It was like
It was probably 10 minutes.
Inga's enjoying the actual breakfast.
Yeah, I'm just
Oh
eating
wow,
it.
yeah. Second bowl. Yeah, no, it was I mean, I've done it before, but how you feel?
Yeah, a bit unnatural, I'm not gonna lie.
That's right, you will get into it.
The hair was blowing in the face.
I was like trying to do this,
Yeah.
you know. It was like really funny. I was trying to do this, so I was trying to show her, because like camera was on her, and I'm like, just move your hair away, but maybe she thought I was just touching my hair.
No, I got it.
Alright, you got it. Right, we're gonna go now to shoot our second scene. Yeah, exciting. The interview. Woo. Look at this hotel, wow. It's insane. There's a huge bathroom here. Wow. And then, I thought this was just kitchen. Look at this bedroom, oh my god. Wow, jacuzzi, bath. So you see, you can have it all. Woo. There is the outfit. It's for the interview part.
For swingers and not attractive.
Well, okay, yeah, film.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we just finished our interview.
Yay.
Yeah. So we finished our first scene or second scene. Yeah, second scene. How do you feel?
It was really hard.
Like
me.
you gotta work it.
Anna was amazing. You're just so used to. Yeah, you're so good.
You were really great as well.
I'm more behind the scenes person, you know. I'm ops person. Yeah.
I'm absolutely starving. It's like nearly 1 p.m.
Oh, you haven't eaten?
Yeah, I haven't eaten. I'm so hungry. We're gonna go.
But this hotel was amazing. So
Yeah, this hotel is actually amazing, and all these restaurants, I haven't even been here. So yeah, we're off to have some lunch. So we are ready for our scene 3. We just had lunch. I actually started getting some random allergy reaction. I don't know to what. So I can't stop sneezing right now. There's Inga. We'll change. I'm all yellow, Inga's all pink. Ooh, yes. It's gonna be nice and green here in the jungle with the cameras. Ooh. So cool.
Hey, we
Hey,
finished!
we're done. Woo, amazing. Wow, it's like,
Wow, this camera is amazing.
Yeah, it feels like it's been
How
a
did you
long
feel
day.
day one finished?
Yeah, amazing. Definitely like challenging. But it's fun, you know, at the same time. I started getting allergy, I don't know what's going on. You can
After
see
food.
Yeah, something was in the food or something, but otherwise I'm good, yeah. Ready to bed.
What? It's 4:30.
It feels like a long day.
Well
It's
done.
just packing.
Very
Yay.
proud of you.
Yay. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of our filming. Inga and me are ready. No, I had a severe allergic reaction yesterday, and actually I haven't slept all night. The makeup definitely helps. But inside I feel so bad, like literally can't even speak. My throat hurts, my ears are pain. I do sound nasal, I think, as well. I just want a new bed, but you can't really do that. So we've got 3 more days of filming. So I just kind of hope I'm gonna feel better. We had a beautiful vacation. We're gonna see our first apartment today.
So Alla's been a complete trooper. She's not been feeling well, so now I've taken over doing these updates, even though I haven't done many of them. But you basically don't feel well at all, do you?
No, I'm really struggling. It's got like a massive headache. Nose is congested.
Yeah.
It's a cool background though of this.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we nearly finished with day 2. I'm literally dying.
And you've got 2 more days.
2 more days, yeah. I'm literally going to bed after this. Inga's gonna make me some soup.
Gonna look after her.
Yeah, it's crazy. My eyes are like itching. Actually, they've swollen up a little bit. They're a bit puffy. Congested nose. Like, my throat's hurting. It's mental. Oops. The whole team's coming over.
How'd you feel? Woo, day 2 finito.
Oh shit, yeah. We got exhausted, but yeah, it was good. It was good. I wish I just felt better, but it was amazing, wasn't it? It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
A lot of hard work, but it was good, girl. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah, let's get me into bed. Get me tucked into bed. I'm done for day 2. We've got 2 more days to go. Wow, we're halfway through. Wait.
Whoop.
Morning, guys. It's day 3 of our filming. And I feel a lot better. I'm still feeling fragile, but I slept longer and my allergy or whatever it was is a bit better. So yeah, anyway, getting ready. Inga's having a blueberry muffin. Good morning. Are you ready for your blueberry muffin?
Getting strapped up.
Show everyone. It's fine.
Getting strapped up under your dress.
On it more than anything, it's got this amazing kitchen. So you've got your oven. Okay, so what do you think?
Yeah, no, I like it. It does feel a bit smaller, and I wanted the 2 beds, but I like this, so spacious and bright.
But look at that TV. That's so fun.
Oh, it's huge.
It's gonna relax. Nice, perfect for relaxing.
Hey.
We're just about to have our lunch. We're finished on our half day filming. Soon we're gonna change out of these clothes.
How has it been wearing the same clothes for 3 days?
Well, it's...
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that. Obviously, look at this Mexican food.
Whoa.
Shrimp tacos. These are insane. The sauce is so good.
The tatai is beautiful. Ali's having double portion of steak
Double portion steak.
with this beautiful beach view. It's so nice to be on the beach after 3 days.
Yeah. We just thought we'll come here for lunch, and then we have a pool scene with margaritas, so that will be fun.
Nice. And then yoga.
And then
Drunk yoga.
Yeah. Drunk yoga. Oh my god, that's hilarious. We're excited. I've got a lot more energy today. I feel so much better. I still feel a bit weak, but like my energy is like high, so which is good. Definitely no struggling today.
Very nice.
Inga's about to take her first giant
All the
taco.
videos you have of me is just me eating the food. Just me eating all the food everywhere.
I think everybody wants to know how good is this taco. I mean, I thought it was out of this world. You do have guacamole on your cheek now. What's the verdict?
Very nice, very nice. I'm just gonna put a bit more of that guac on there.
Yeah, it's that special sauce or something. Oh yeah, get in
Very
there.
fresh.
Oh my god, look at that prawn, Jesus. I'm telling you, Aldi's the best prawn tacos so far. I think they're even better than Inti.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm still getting through these steaks. Look at this big ass camera. Slow me down and I can find something that I actually like. But I do get excited, and I really want to have that comfort home now and just find a place already. What are you guys doing? So we are on our next shooting location.
I think you should
I'm having my carnival crisps right now, and we're about to do a pool scene, which is exciting. Decided to put my hair up for this specific shoot, just to change the scenery, Plus, I look good with my hair up, I guess. Inga's getting ready. Gonna do our pool scene in a minute.
We really did.
Yeah, meaning I'm wearing matching outfits.
From Bali.
You guys can just sit here.
Here. Ooh. We did our pool scene with all these people watching and doing our final. No, not final scene. Hey, oi, 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 oi. Matching outfits.
Woo! That's a wrap for me.
I've got one more day of filming. Inga's done. How's your experience?
It was definitely way harder than I didn't really actually have any expectations, but that was hard for sure.
Yeah, it's definitely not as easy what you think, guys.
Yeah, the wardrobe changes, the multiple cameras, the last scene was but a lot of fun, and I'm sure something we'll be able to look back on and laugh about.
I know, and it's just pretty good that we did it together, like such a cool experience.
And if you blow up, I'm becoming Alla's agent because I realized I can nail this job.
This is on camera now. Well, Inga's off to Tulum to enjoy her life, and I've got one more day of filming, and then I'm gonna rest because it's been intense.
Yeah, can't wait to relax.
Bye. Good morning, guys. Good morning, my sunshines. It's day 4 of my filming day today. I'm all dressed in the fitness clothes. Can't reveal too much because you're gonna obviously watch the episode and then see it all happening. Can't tell you too much, but yeah, I've got 2 changes of outfit. I decided to go super colorful, pink and purple, like why not? And it's kind of sad because Inga's not here anymore, so it's just me on my own. We are here at the beach. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so very sunny. I'm dressed in gym clothes, but we're on the beach. And yeah, we'll see how this is gonna go because I'm all oiled up as well, so it's gonna be interesting. Hey guys, so I am now chilling, waiting for the next filming. There's a lot of stop and wait. I had to get everything nice and ready. I've changed my outfit. Nice cute dress. Oh my god, my feet are black. I didn't have my shoes, so I had to walk barefoot across the whole town. Anyways, I'm super excited. We're nearly finished. We've got a couple more shoots and then a couple more shoots in the city, and then we're going for lunch to celebrate.
Yeah.
Ready for my last scene in my chef's uniform now. Oh shit, chocolate. Perfect. So very excited.
Inga today?
Yes, we are doing our last scene. Look at these beautiful cakes. Ooh. Love to hear if any of you are new here. If you found me just recently, let me know who you are and where you're from.